We are going to start class 6 geography. This is the first chapter, the Earth in the solar system. How wonderful it is to watch the sky after sunset. One would first notice one or two bright spots shining in the sky. Soon you would see the number are increasing. You cannot count them anymore. The whole sky is filled with the shining objects. Some are bright, others are dim. It seems as if the sky is filled with diamond. They all appear to be twinkling, but if you look at them carefully, you will notice that some of them do not twinkle as others do. They simply glow without any flicker, just as the moon shines along with these bright objects. You may also see the moon on most of the days. It may, however, appear at different time and different shape at different positions. You can see the full moon only once in about a month time. It's a full moon night or a Purnima. A fortnight later, you cannot see it at all. It is a new moon night or the Amavasya. On this day, you can watch the night sky best, provided it is a clear night. Do you wonder why can't we see the moon and all those bright tiny objects during any time? It is because the very bright light object of the sun does not allow us to see all these bright objects of the night sky. The sun, moon, and other celestial, all those objects and in the night sky are called the celestial bodies. The some celestial bodies are very big and hot. They are made up of gases. They have their own heat and light when they emit which they emit in large amount. These celestial bodies are called stars. The sun is a star. Countless twinkling stars in the night sky are similar to the sun, but we do not feel their heat or light, and they look so tiny because they are very far away from us. You must have noticed that all the objects look similar when seen from a distance. How small an airplane looks when it is flying at a great height. While watching the night sky, you may notice the various patterns from by different groups of the stars. These are called constellations. Ursa Major or the Big Bear is one such constellation. One of the most easily recognizable constellation is the Seven Series. It is a group of the 7 stars that forms a part of the Ursa Major constellation. Ask someone elder in your family or neighborhood to show you more stars, planets, constellations in the sky. In ancient time, people used to determine the direction during the night with the help of the stars. The star indicates the north direction. It is also called the polar star. It is always remains in the same position in the sky. We can locate the position of the polar star with the help of the Septerasi. Look at the figure 1. You will notice that if an imaginary line is drawn joining the pointer stars and extended further, it will point to the polar star. Some celestial bodies do not have their own heat and light. They are lit by the light of the stars. Such bodies are called the planets. The word planet comes from the Greek word planitia, which means the wonder. The earth on which we live in as a planet, it gets all its heat and light from the sun, which is our nearest star. If we look at the earth from a great distance, say the moon, it will appear to be shining just as the moon. The moon that we see in the sky is a satellite. It is a companion of our earth and moves around it like our earth. There are 7 other planets. They get heat and light from the sun. Some of them have moon too. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus have rings around them. These are belt of the small debris. These rings may be seen from the earth with the help of a powerful telescope. The sun, the 8 planets, the satellite, and some other celestial bodies known as the asteroid and the meteoroids. And the meteoroid from the solar system, we often call it a solar family from the sun, as it is whole. In Roman mythology is the sun god. Solar means related to the sun. This the family of the sun is therefore called the solar system. And from the solar system, we often call it a solar family with the sun. As I said, the sun is the center of the solar system. It is fusion made of extremely hot gases. It provided the pulling force that in the solar system. The sun is the ultimate source of heat and light for the solar system, but the tremendous heat is not felt so much by us because despite being our nearest star, it is far away from us. The sun is about 150 million kilometers away from the earth. There are 8 planets in the solar system. In order their distance from the sun, they are the Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. An easy way to my very efficient method, just sub us nuts. Many words used in a language may have been taken from some other geography. For example, is in English, but it has origin in Greek, which leads to a description of the earth. It is made up of 2 Greek words. G means earth, graphia meaning writing. All the 8 planets of the solar system move around the sun in respect path. These paths are called elongated. They are called orbit. Mercury is the nearest to the sun. It takes only about 88 days to complete one round along its orbit. Venus is considered the asteroid because its size and the shape are very much similar to that of the earth. Geology, study of the earth. Geometry, measurement of the earth. Geoid, examine the shape of the earth. Until recently, 2006, Pluto was also considered a planet. However, in a meeting of the International Astronomical Union, decision was taken that the Pluto, like other celestial object, Ceres 2003, UB313 Ceres and UB313 discovered recently, may be called the top planet. Humans have always been fascinated gazing at the night sky. Those who study the celestial bodies and their movement are called the astronomer. Celestial bodies and their movement. Aryabhatta was a famous astronomer. Recently, he said that the moon and the planets shine due to the reflected sunlight to the astronomers all over the world busy exploring the universe. The Earth is the third nearest planet to the sun. In size, it is the 5th. Yet the larger planet is slightly flattened at the pole. That is why its shape is described as geoid, meaning Earth-like shape. Conditions favorable to support life are probably found only on the Earth. The Earth is neither too hot nor too cold. It has water, air, which are very essential for survival. The air has the life-supporting gases like oxygen. Because of this reason, the Earth is a unique planet of the solar system. From the other outer space, Earth appears blue because the total surface is covered by water. It is therefore called a blue planet. Light travels at a speed of 3 lakh kilometers per second. Yes, yet even with this speed, the light of the sun takes about 8 minutes to reach the Earth. Earth has only one satellite, that is the moon. Its diameter is only one quarter that of the Earth. It appears so big because it is nearer to our planet than other celestial bodies. It is about 3,84,000 kilometers away from us. Now you can compare the distance of the Earth from the sun and that from the moon. The moon moves around the Earth in about 27 days. It takes exactly the same time to complete one spin, and the moon moves around the earth in about 27 days. और spin करने में भी same time. As a result, only one side of the moon is visible to us in the earth. Neil Armstrong was the first man to step on the surface of the moon on 20 July 1969. A satellite is a celestial body that moves around the planet in the same way as the planets move around the sun. Human-made satellite is an artificial body. It is designed by the scientists to gather information about the universe or for communication. It is carried by the rocket and is placed in the orbit around the earth. The moon does not have condition favorable for life. It has mountain, plains, depression shown as इसमें mountain है, plains है. Moon does not have condition favorable for life. It has mountain, it has plains and depression. Okay, some of the Indian satellites in space are ncert, IRS, EduSat. Rocket launch, rocket falls back to the Earth, satellite enters the orbit. Okay, next is surface. These cast shadows on the moon's surface look at the full moon opposite the asteroid. Apart from the stars, the planets and satellites, there are numerous tiny bodies which also move around the sun. These bodies are called asteroids. They are found between the orbit of the Mars and the Jupiter. Scientists of the view that the asteroids are part of the planet which exploded many years back. Meteoroids, the small pieces of the rock which move around the sun, are called the meteoroids. Sometimes move around the sun. The small pieces of rock which move around the sun are called meteoroids. Sometimes these meteoroids come near the earth and tend to drop upon it. During this process, due to the friction with the air, they get heated up and burn. It causes a flash of light. Sometimes the meteor, without being completely burned, falls on the earth and creates a hollow. Do you now see a whitish broad band like a white glowing path across the sky on a clear bright starry night? It is a cluster of millions of stars. This band is a Milky Way galaxy. Our solar system is part of this galaxy. In ancient India, it was imagined to be the river of the light flowing in the sky. Thus, it was named Akashganga. Galaxy is a huge system of billions of the stars and the clouds of the dust and the gases. Galaxy, huge system of the billions of the stars, clouds of the dust, and huge system of billions of star, dust, and gases. There are millions of such galaxies that makes the universe difficult to imagine how big the universe is. Scientists are still trying to find out more and more about it. We are not certain about this size, but we know that all of us, you and I, belong to this universe. Can you relate yourself with the universe now? Okay, no. Anything important here? Okay, thank you.